You're gonna want to start off with freshly washed, pre-stretched hair. I stretched my hair without heat by putting my hair in cornrows after washing it, and you can see one of those cornrows remaining in the front. Parted my hair in three sections: the front, the back, and the middle. Throughout the video, I will be doing multiple angles where you see me feeding in the braids to create the knotless braid. This is where the handheld mirror comes in. If you do not have a three-way mirror, then you're going to need a handheld mirror as well as a stationary mirror. So you're going to be looking in one in the front and one in the back. So you use the mirror so that you can ensure that your parts are straight. This is crucial for the back part, the back of your head, because you cannot see around there, so you want to ensure that you're getting it right. When you reach the front of your hair, you want to ensure that it has this brick layer effect, and this is as a result of the parts being of the same sizing. So you are going to use those parts to connect the dots, so to connect the front to the middle part. And here you're seeing where I'm parting the hair using the rat tail portion of the comb. I'm not using any form of gel. The only product that is in my hair is leave-in conditioner and oil. And this was put in my hair prior to moisturize my hair. I hate just putting jam or gel alone in your hair. That's not healthy, and it causes a lot of product buildup. I tend to shy away from braids because of this bald spot at my left side. My edges is gone. So what I do, this technique I learned, is to cornrow your hair instead to prevent the braiding hair putting a lot of tension on your edges. So braid it and use your hair as the third leg for the braiding process, as the anchor leg. So you put the braid in here under your hair and use it to the feeding process like usual, and this helps a great deal. And if you have any tips on how I can grow my edges back, and it's just this one spot, so that spot and the one above it, so it's just that area, let me know what tips you have, because a girl has been struggling. There was a period in my life when I did no form of protective styling for 2 years in hopes that my edges would grow back, and that was all in vain. It was just a disaster. It was no progress, no growth, no nothing. So help me out. Drink your water. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need gel to get a proper part. A perfect part is not about the gel. It's about your tool. It's about your rat tail comb. It's about your precision. So I start with parting with the rat tail comb, and then I use the precision portion of the comb to part my hair. You don't need gel. Don't let nobody fool you and tell you need gel. The easiest way to extend the braid is to take the braid in here and wrap it over the middle piece of here and the other piece that is being held by the same hand. The braid in here should fit naturally, allowing you to braid with no problem. And you just continue braiding as you were before and keep adding here until you reach your desired length. This here took me 4 days total to complete for partying, from partying to dipping in hot water. So it took me 4 days. This is a 5. It's really lightweight. I have about 144 braids in my hair. I consider it to be small. And it's really lightweight. I used 2.5 packs of braiding here, but I could have gotten away with 1.5 to 1.25 because I added extra here at the ends to extend it to butt length. That is why it took 2.5 packs. You can check out my next video. It's going to show you some unique ways that you can style your knotless braids or twists. So check that out. Let me know in the comment section if you liked how this hairstyle turned out, if you tried it, if you ever tried doing your hair, braiding your hair yourself, because we're saving coins over here.